Okay, I promised you guys I was gonna give you a quick video here on this Vette. I just want to find out if I jump the starter out, okay, if she's gonna start. Because I've always had a suspicion, sorry, I'm crawling to the car. Always had a suspicion that it was the ignition switch, but you know, everything you read and past experience with these high performance engines, you know, the torque isn't enough when the compression gets up there, and what happens is she gets hot, the compression gets a vapor lock, and she won't start, okay? But let's see what happens when I jump the starter out. It's a brand new starter too. Should be good. Sorry for the grunting and groaning here, but wow. Okay, see if I can get you in there pretty good. Okay, let's see what we do. I'm gonna jump the battery terminal, which is the big one, to the solenoid. And that should start it, or at least get the thing to crank. So let's see what happens. See, there she goes. Okay, so that's gonna tell me neutral safety switch was pulled out of this car years ago because it's a standard and a lot of people don't like that. So I'm gonna turn the ignition on, see if I can fire this thing up. Hang on, guys. Okay, try and start it. It's a carburetor, so she'll start, but it's a tough spot to be in. Here she goes. She's a star. Okay, it's a tough spot I was in there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test some wires. This will all be combined into one video. But yeah, it's ignition switch. I gotta order the part. And I'll show you how I diagnose that before I order it. All right, we'll continue.